Like a rainy Sunday morning makes me wanna stay in bed, twisted up all day long. You're my inspiration, girl, you take me places, put the words right into these songs. Stealing kisses undercover, babe, see forever when I see your face. And I swear God made you for me. You make it easy, loving up on you, make it easy.
Tracy's father was a very loving, smart man with so much wisdom. Pop-Up said, always work out any differences before you go to sleep, and never go to bed angry. Mom and I wish Jeremy and Katie a marriage as enduring and as beautiful as Mama and Pop-Up's.
You took out my rough around the edges, never let it ruffle up your feathers, angel. Yeah, I'm down for life, you got me wrapped around your finger, and I like it just in case you can't tell.
After 8 incredible years, I stand here feeling overwhelmingly lucky and proud to be next to my best friend who partnered in life. You often ask me when I first knew I was in love with you, when I realized you were the one. And my answer never seems to satisfy you, or is to sure.
You make it easy, loving up on you, make it easy with every little thing you do. You're my sunshine in the dark.
Jeremy, you inspire me to be a better person, and while no one is perfect, it is evident to those who know us that you were perfect for me. You are patient when I'm anxious, decisive when I'm notoriously indecisive. Jeremy, I love you more every day, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life loving you as a husband. I love you.
You make it
When we first met Jeremy 8 years ago, it was clear from the start there was something special between them. It's hard to believe it's been that long, but from that very first moment, Jeremy felt like family. Today, as we celebrate this wonderful union, we're here to show Katie and Jeremy just how much they are surrounded by that love and support. By the power vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Jeremy, you may kiss the bride.
the night we met, I knew I needed you so. And if I had the chance, I'd never let you go. But won't you say you love me? I'll make you so proud of me. We'll make them turn their heads every place we go. So won't you please be my little baby? Say be my darling, be my baby now.
It is easy to fall into worrying about what's next. There's always going to be problems to be solved, and sometimes it doesn't go your way. But it is not about how fast you achieve your goals through life or what is waiting for you when you achieve them. It's all about the climb.
So won't you please be my little baby? Say be my darling, be my baby now. Be my little baby. Say be my darling.
I admire how much they enjoy each other's company and genuinely want to spend time with each other more than they want to be with anyone else.
Kate, You've been like family since Jeremy first introduced you. You're an amazing couple. You complement each other perfectly. Raising your glass to the new couple, Jeremy and Kate, to a lifetime of love, health, and happiness.